Mynshua syarki bercak dukti iba Adelbert haying dorbar habara yakamat sepanggar roster system. Hendrai mentapat lapen mirai bancong dorbar kyrpang na kebentakan ni. Yakane kamat lada wada ka VPP. Daki breu bak dukti ya iba Adelbert Mynshua halor kane kamat mentapat kiju kibreu kimbanse banong bah kinsasyong perkat kyrpang. Kane kadai uso balawanra da Prah. Kane kadai halor bhah thungkam. Bah bhah kadai banlong kaju tarajur. Ong kumbalong menta bakadang do siliang syaki khasi jantia.
There are different issues. You talking about rooster system or you talking about the
session to discuss on rooster system.
No, you asked me first whether you want to ask me about reservation policy or the rooster
It's
system.
all linked.
It doesn't link much. I think right now your question is about rooster system, right? In view of that ruling of the Honorable High Court, which came out recently, so see from the government, in fact, I don't see any need to have a special session. However, I'm not saying that right now. But see, when Chief Minister is back to Shillong, we are planning to have all party meetings. We would like to have MDA meeting, but first of all, we will have this detailed discussion in the cabinet. Then, as I said, ultimately we take decision. Maybe we can also call all party meetings where we can share, we discuss everything with all the political parties. Tell you one thing, we already filed the affidavit for 3 times. At that time, the Honorable High Court says you have to do the rooster system right from 1972, which they clearly said it should be right from the inception of the reservation policy, which means that we have to go back from 1972. But in view of the latest ruling of the Honorable High Court, as I said, we will again sit down, we'll discuss in the cabinet, we will discuss in the MDA, and thereafter we can even call the all-party meeting.
There is also a demand to review the reservation policy.
Well, let us, I think we'll take it one by one. As of now, as I said to you, I think the issue is about roster system. So, government has taken note of this, and we will, as I said, we will discuss in the cabinet, and then we will discuss with the MDA partners, and as well as, if necessary, we will call the all-party meeting.